Hello, I'm Kyungmoo. I'm gonna draw a person who puts her hands on her knees. Let's get started. First of all, you should draw the entire shape of a body. Don't start with the details of a body like face, fingers, or something like that. After you draw the outlines of a body, and then you should draw the details. You can start drawing with light lines, and then draw the strong lines with confidence. Please be sure that you should draw the curved and natural lines. I usually draw the face at last because, to be honest, drawing face is the most challenging part of drawing figure to me. It's like lightening the burden of my mind. I usually use adjoint lines when I draw face, especially when I draw non-straight angle like this. It really helps me. I usually add the shadow by rubbing the shades with my fingers. It's easiest way to add some shadow on the muscles in the world. Thank you for watching my video and see you again.